So before I went ahead and gave you guys kind of a tour of my final prototype, I wanted to kind of walk you through the thought process of how I came to develop this idea. Um, as you guys all probably remember, at the beginning of the semester, Dr. Clinton challenged us to view problems and just look at things creatively and try to find solutions. So after we kind of talked about that, I started thinking about things in my day-to-day life that I wanted to try to fix. And I had a few ideas, but it mainly came down to three. And two of them I wasn't as enthused as this final one that I have produced today. So basically, the problem I saw was when I was studying on campus with friends, I would never really feel comfortable just having them walk home and not have anyone looking out for them. I always would be the one telling people, hey, like, text me when you get there. Um, and then likewise, I would have people tell me that as well. So I realized that there is this need because people didn't feel uh, like they had people looking out for them when they were walking home. So I came up with this app, and it's called Got You. I wanted it to have a U somewhere to kind of symbolize university, but what it is it's an app that will connect students on campus so that they don't have to walk home alone. So kind of using the buddy system, strength in numbers. Um, and so I'll kind of walk you through what I have. So this is the logo down here. Um, so you click it. This is the specific one for UGA, but hopefully will be on more campuses as the app grows. But this is the UGA one, so you either sign in if you already made an account, or you make your account. And you can only make one if you have a uga.edu email address, because we want it to be just students helping students. We don't want random people being able to sign up and pose as students, and then it won't be what it's supposed to be, which is something to make people safer. So once you make your account, it will ask to allow location services and send push notifications. And then once you start the app, you will see, it will connect with your contacts, and you'll see people in your contacts who have an account, and you can connect with them automatically, send them friend requests. And then they'll be your friends on the app. But this will also, once it runs through your contacts, it will just have mutual friends, or like people that your friends walk a lot with. So once you have your friends, this is basically your homepage. You'll have an icon, you'll have your username, however many points you've accumulated, and then it will have options to redeem the points, find more friends to walk with, or to like set up a walk. And also down here, you can choose when you're appearing online and when you're not. Because when we were doing the first pitch, a lot of people were like, I don't want people to always be able to track me. So you have to turn the appear online on for your friends to view or be able to see where you are. So when you hit walk and you open up the map, it will automatically show you where all your friends who are appearing online are. But if you don't see anyone, and if you see someone online, you can click them and you can send them a message and try to coordinate a time to meet. But if you don't see anyone, you can say where you're walking from and where you're walking to, and it will search for people who are going in the same area. And then once you match with someone and you have your walk in progress, there's going to be an emergency thing, and you'll have emergency contacts that this can automatically send out a notification to. But it will also send a message to the local police department in your college town. And then the part about accumulating points is the more you walk and the more you use the app, the more points you'll get. And we're going to be partnered with local restaurants and stores, and you can redeem it for deals at those locations. So that's where I came up with. I'll probably need help with the coding once I actually make the app, but it's something I really got excited about this semester, and I hope you guys do too.